Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer security deposit rules using Avail. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer security deposit rules using Avail, start by logging into your Avail account. Once logged in, navigate to the Properties tab on the dashboard. Select the property for which you want to transfer security deposit rules. Click on the Rental Details option for that property. Locate the Security Deposit section on the screen. Here, you will see the current security deposit rules set for your property. To edit these rules, click on the Edit button next to the security deposit information. Make any necessary adjustments to the security deposit amount or terms. Once you have made the changes, scroll down to find the Save button. Click Save to confirm the updated security deposit rules. If you wish to transfer these rules to another property, go back to the Properties tab. Select the property where you want to apply the transferred rules. Repeat the steps to access the rental details for the new property. Instead of editing, look for an option to copy or transfer rules from the original property. Select the original property to which the rules were initially applied. Confirm the transfer by clicking on the Confirm button. The security deposit rules are now transferred to the selected property. Review the new security deposit section to ensure everything is correct. You have successfully transferred security deposit rules using Avail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.